kutaura kuti anasi takomborerwa as women and handisi kuzomboona chinondinetsa when I get to parliament. Why? Because the president has made it clear. The president has touched on the balls, and the balls, as women, we are going to make a follow-up as a legislator to see that what the president has said is fulfilled. And when the president says it, like what is done today, he wants us to push so that we are the implementers on the ground. So we are going to do our best. We want to put women on another level. And we know that, as the president rightfully said, women are the vanguard of the economic situation of this country. And you know we are on it. I can say if you get into business, women are doing better. Projects, women are doing better. And we've got so many things that women are doing. Only that they want to be kickstarted, whereby we can find money from the banks. You talked about that, the Women's Bank and other banks will also benefit from that. And the money will be injected there. So we will go to the women to go and mobilize them so that they become more sophisticated, so that they will get into business without fear. They will do other things like they wish. You talked about the agriculture. Yes, we want to go and drive the women in parliament to go as women down there so that they will get into agriculture. They will also encourage women to do small nutrition gardens so that at least that will benefit the communities. So I think we've got a lot of things that we should push as women legislators, to push other women. We should not leave them behind. We should move forward with them.
Okay. Apart from issues to do with women, what about girls? We are witnessing the issues of early marriages. They are increasing. Are you not going to touch on that as you get into parliament?
Yes. I think we are going to go into the community and teach our girls. I think we are going to come up with a variety of workshops so that we teach our girls the danger of drugs, the danger of early marriages, and also we should also go to them and expose as many things that they can do so that they will not engage in these early marriages. So as women parliamentarians, we are going to do our best, if you know what I'm saying, to help our president, as he has rightfully said in there, that we are going to be ambassadors, to be the implementers of what he said in his speech. And we are going to help the little girls. And we should also encourage them to get into positions, because they've got this fear that is not for them. So we are going to encourage them so that they also get into these positions. Any position is good for their own. I think.
Honorable Adriana, I'm below 35, Midlands Province. To encourage for cancer, especially this time at Cancer Awareness Month. Screen or cause muka screen early inorapika achisicho chinofanira kuuza hope kune vanenge vanechi vane cancer. Saka inini my message kwamuri ndeyekuti endai muscreen wacho nguva iripo mukwanise kubatsirikana nguva iripo. Don't lose hope, rambai makasimba semwedzi uno watiri turamba chikokurangaridzai kuti rambai muchienda muscreen kubatsirike.
Alright, one more question. Nasi maita official opening of the 10th parliament semudzimai to your constituency, the motion yamunonzwa kuti inini ishi ndozvandoda kuzoitira constituency, that you want to push for this term yamakatarisana nayo.
Okay, to the young women, kuencourage especially constituency kwangu Midwest province kuti kune vamwe vana vakatadza kubudirira kuenda kuchikoro vakapasa, but we have vocational training centers anodzidzisa zvinhu zvakasiyana siyana. Vamwe vanodzidziswa kuita madhumeni, vamwe vanodzidziswa kusona, vamwe kuruka musoro, beauty therapy. Yeah, it's not the end of the world kana usina kuenda kuchikoro ukabudirira paform 4 yako, because do have something else yaunogona kuita tidzidze tigonoita zvinhu zvekutishande nemaoko.
Thank you.
Lots of motion that we want to talk about. By and large, because I'm there for the women's quota, right? In the education sector, there has to be lots of motion that we have to push. In the education, right? For women, in the health sector, where women are largely affected by the health institutions. In health, in education, and also for upgrading of women, and even the finance bill, because we need money to move our day-to-day programs and businesses. So that's areas that I'm going to hit on.
Okay, and how is it going to benefit the electorate and the people who voted for you?
Well, when people are empowered, that's what we fought for. When people have got land, when women have got land, they've got projects that are going, they have something to hold on to. And to me, that's very important.
I'm Honorable Eugene Jofu, Minister of State for Provincial Affairs and Devolution, Matabeleland South Province. I'm a new Minister of State. It's exciting to be appointed by His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Zimbabwe, Dr. Emerson Mnangagwa, to represent him in Matabeleland South Province. As I said before, the critical issues that I'm going to attack is infrastructure development in Matabeleland South, to make sure that the roads, especially the road that leaves Bed Bridge to Bulawayo, we are looking forward to funding in 2024 for that road to be rehabilitated, so that we facilitate trade between ourselves and South Africa and the region at large. We are also looking at various roads, the ones that are taking goods and services from Botswana, from Zambia, through Victoria Falls, through Plumtree into Zimbabwe. There's a road that His Excellency is targeted to be tarred. And we are also looking at a road that is leaving Botswana to Bay Bridge